Introducing a new exciting feature for our Podium platform that enables you to connect to Revit. Here in Podium, I already created a residential feasibility study, which I would now like to see in Revit. Rather than having to export and import some data, I'm using the pre-installed Podium add-in, which is now available on our website. After launching it, we can see an authentication form, and when you have a Podium account, you can access your projects and your scenarios within those projects and trigger the generation process of the data in Revit. After a few minutes, I can see a log confirmation which processes ran or if any steps or which steps happened, and we can see the result here. So the result basically matches what we saw in Podium, and here in Revit I can interrogate it further and I can create 2D documents. We also generate floor plans for the levels, which we can access here, and we also pre-populate room tags in those plans to make your life easier. Let's look at a second example where we've got a residential building with structural elements solved. We can actually generate those using the add-in as well, and not only a static direct shape geometry, but instead as fully parametric Revit family types. And those family types get configured and positioned through the add-in programmatically or automatically with a click of a few buttons within minutes. Here we can see the filtered result of the structural elements, and I'm just selecting a few elements so you can see in the properties panel that those are actually families for the foundation elements and also for the structural framing and columns.